Hello students, now we will start a new topic, differential equations, and today we will enjoy the part 1. And differential equation, in short, we can write DE means differential equation. Okay, look here, we have dy by dx equal to gx, and this is known as differential equation. This is a special, that is a linear differential equation. Okay, so if you have anywhere a differential and any other function, and this is a equation we have, this is equal sign, so this is called a differential equation. All of understand. Now notations for derivatives, look here, we will use dy by dx is equal to y dash, d square y by dx square equal to y double dash, d cube y by dx cube equal to y triple dash, or we can use this type also, dy by dx we can write y1, d square y by dx square we can write y2, d cube y upon dx cube we can write y3. So any format we can use there. Now we will use here a important concept, order of a differential equation. So look here, what is the order? Order of differential equation is defined as the order of highest order derivatives involved in the given equation. So first we have to check the highest order. Highest order means what is the differential that is the highest order. So if you have dy by dx is present, means one order. If you have d square y by dx square, means second order. D cube y upon dx cube, then we write here three order differential equation. So highest order you have to check. So look here, highest order is what is? Highest derivative is what is? Dy by dx. So it is called a first order. And highest derivative is second. Highest derivative is second. So it is a second order. Here we have derivatives are second derivatives and third derivative. Okay, but the highest is third. So it is a third order. So here order meaning is the highest derivatives you have to check. So higher derivatives whatever, that is called a order. All of you understand this? Now look here, we have to do the important concept, degree of a differential equation. Degree. Look here, differential equation must be polynomial equation of derivatives y dash, y double dash, y triple dash extra. Means this differential equation must be polynomial. First you check the polynomial equation, and polynomial equations of what is? Derivatives. Of a derivatives it should be. So look here, this y dash, y double dash and y triple dash have only the power, only the power it will have, power 2, 3, 4, that power will be, positive power will be here. And these are not function of any other function. Means we will not have sine y triple dash, 10 y double dash or e power y double dash. Okay, these type we will not have there. So the degree of the differential equations means the highest power of the highest order derivatives. First you check the highest order derivative, first you check the order. Okay, and whatever the derivative is the highest, that power you have to check, and that power should the positive power, that should a positive power, and that derivatives involved in the differential equation. So first look here, we have to do one example. Look here, this d cube y by dx cube plus 2 d square y by dx square and whole square minus dy by dx plus y equal to 0. Here the derivatives are dy by dx, d square y by dx square and d cube y by dx cube. These are the derivatives, and from these the highest derivative is d cube y by dx cube, and this power is 1. So here the degree will be 1 and order is 3. So what we write first, look here. Here the differential equation is a polynomial equation of y triple dash, y double dash and y dash. So the order is 3. Here the order is what is 3, because the highest derivative is 3. So order is 3, and what is the power of this highest derivative is 1. Power is 1. So we write here degree is 1. y by dx whole square plus dy by dx minus sine square y equal to 0. Differential equation is a polynomial equation of y dash. Okay, so first we check the order derivative. So what we have only one derivative, so we write here order is 1. And what is the highest power of dy by dx? Highest power of dy by dx is 2. So here degree is 2. All of you understand this? Next is dy by dx plus sine dy by dx equal to 0. This equation is not a polynomial equation in y dash. This is not a polynomial equation because this dy by dx is a function of sine. In such case, order is 1. Order means the derivatives. We have to check the highest derivative. Highest derivative is the dy by dx only. So order is 1. But degree, for degree we will write cannot be defined. Degree we cannot define. So note one we have here that order and degree of differential equation are always positive numbers, positive integers. Now some examples we do here. This equation d power 4 upon d x power 4 plus sine y triple dash equal to 0, and this equation is not a polynomial of y 4 dash and y triple dash. So we can write here order is 4. Order is 4 and degree. In degree we write cannot be defined. All of you understand this? Look here, ds by dt power 4 plus 3s d square s upon dt square equal to 0. Here this is a this equation is a polynomial of one, write s double dash and s dash, and here the order means derivative is 2. So here order is 2 and degree means power of the highest derivative. This power is 1. So we write degree is 1. All of you understand? Look here y double dash whole square plus y double dash power 3 plus y dash power 4 plus y power 5 equal to 0. And here the order is 2. Order is what is? Order is 2 and degree means power of the highest derivative is 3. So degree we write here 3. Degree is 3. All of you. For this we write this equation is not a polynomial of y dash. Okay, this is not a polynomial. So in this case we write order. Order is here derivative. Highest derivative is 3. So order is 3. And for degree we write here cannot be defined, because here we have sine dy by dx. Next question is 2x square d square y by dx square minus 3 dy by dx plus sine y, and this equation is a polynomial of y double dash y dash. Okay, this is polynomial of this. Look here, we should not have a problem with sine y. Sine y may be problem. Y may be function of any other, but this y double dash and y dash should not a function of any other. So order means the highest derivative is 2. True, we can write 2. And here degree means power of this is 1. So we write here degree is 1. All of you understand? So I think you understand this. This is a very simple portion. Thank you and nice day.